Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. I want to make this quick video before I get back to watching the golf here. I saw a video where someone said that, Transunion and Experian, they've been sending these letters out where they're like, you must not be smart enough to make this letter. If you have a credit repair company helping you, you need to disclose that. All of this stuff. And someone made a video about it. I made a video about it, but someone that came across my YouTube, they had a video and they actually were making like this was something new. I guess being in the business almost 20 years and started the credit repair shop in 2006. This is nothing new. They've been doing this for years. They just pick every 3 to 5 years to send out that letter to say, hey, this is a letter that we're going to send. It's like someone's in their office and they just say, we're going to just send this letter out, to scare people, to stop them from wanting to, to work on repairing their credit. Or in a way, it's just to say, are you serious or not serious? Because if you're serious, we still got to do our job. But this is not new. So I don't know why the person would put this video to make everybody think that TransUnion is changing the way that they're doing their dispute process and that they're upset about people doing, all these crazy tactics, which we don't do. We just do it straight up. They might be upset about that stuff, but that stuff gets weeded out simply because those people are breaking the law with what they're having people do by lying about ID thefts and doing credit sweeps. We don't do that. If you, let's just look at the bottom line. Bottom line, you as an individual have a right to validate, verify, dispute with the bureaus, with furnishers, any information that you believe to be inaccurate, negative or positive account, trade/trade line, inquiry, personal data, public records, information on your credit reports. Let's stop fishing around and thinking that there's some skeleton that's going to come jumping out of some closet and do something to somebody. This, if you do it by the way it was designed, you're going to get results. What I think a lot of people are so, the problem is that people don't look at their own situation and they think that just because their friend's credit was repaired in 30 or 60 days, that mine has to be repaired 30, 60 days. Let me tell you, your friend don't never tell you the truth about their situation. When people talk about money, people lie about how much money they have and how much money they don't have. People lie about how bad their credit was and how if they got their credit done quick, they lie about that it was real bad when it wasn't as bad as yours might be. Think about yourself. Get your credit situated. Do it the right way. If it might take longer than you want it to take, dive into the process. Get the job done. Stop worrying about these letters that are coming from the bureaus. The one thing that you can always count on, they're mandated to have to do their job. Thank you for your time. Please like this video. Please share. Please subscribe to the channel. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Commercial's almost over. I'm going to get back to watching golf.